Welcome to a thriving microjungle teeming with life. Here, tiny plants harness sunlight through photosynthesis, herbivores feast on these plants, and carnivores prey on the herbivores, creating a delicate yet dynamic food web. Now, let's venture deeper into this miniature world and observe the fascinating inhabitants up close. Get ready to witness one of the fastest movements in the living world. The motion is so rapid that even my high-speed microscope camera struggles to capture its details. Meet Vorticella, a flower-like microorganism found in fresh water. It's a type of ciliate that can contract its stem at incredible speeds. Observe closely. When Vorticella's stem contracts, it generates a staggering G-force of 100 to 1000 G. This makes it one of the most rapid contractile responses ever recorded in the biological world. But what triggers this explosive contraction? Vorticella responds to even the slightest movements, vibrations, and physical contact by rapidly contracting its stalk. Vorticella has a trumpet-like cell body called zooid. It often attaches to surfaces like plants and algae using a long stalk called myoneme. This stalk is elastic and enables the organism to retract when disturbed. The organism has cilia around its mouth to create water currents that bring food particles like bacteria. By filtering bacteria and small particles, Vorticella plays a role in water quality. Get ready to meet the torpedo of the microscopic world. This is it. The torpedo-like attack of this microorganism is one of the most insane hunting tactics. Meet Didinium. When Didinium detects a paramecium, its favorite prey, it doesn't just swim up casually, it rockets forward like a torpedo, spinning rapidly as it moves. The front of Didinium is packed with harpoon-like structures called extrusomes, which it fires at the paramecium like tiny spears. Once these harpoons pierce the prey, Didinium latches on and begins stretching its mouth wide open, allowing it to engulf a paramecium twice its size. Now, meet the Hypotrich, a ciliate with an elongated or oval-shaped cell body that likes living around duckweed. Duckweed is a small, floating, aquatic plant with tiny leaves and roots, often forming dense mats on water surfaces. Duckweed provides a favorable microhabitat for Hypotrich ciliates. The undersides of duckweed leaves and their root hairs create a surface where ciliates can attach and feed on bacteria, algae, and organic debris in the surrounding water. Duckweed tends to trap organic matter, which becomes a rich source of food for Hypotrich ciliates. In return, ciliates help break down and process the organic matter, maintaining water quality around the duckweed and possibly influencing the duckweed's growth indirectly. Let's explore a fascinating multicellular creature that thrives in the microscopic realm. What you see is one of the smallest animals in the world with only 100 to 200 micrometers in length. Meet Lecane lunaris, one of the most ancient animals on Earth, with a history dating back over 500 million years. This pointy thing is called the foot. Lecane lunaris uses it to anchor itself to plants and rocks. Its digestive system is composed of a simple, straight tube with a mouth and anus. It does not have eyes, a heart, or a brain, but a nervous system composed of 200 to 300 neurons. Its nervous system allows it to respond to sensory stimuli, such as light, touch, and chemicals. You might be wondering what this slimy, shape-shifting creature is. It resembles a transformer from a sci-fi movie, and you may think it's a ciliate. But unlike a ciliate, our organism has no cilia. And unlike a flagellate, it does not have a flagellum. Then you might think it's an amoeba. Well, unlike an amoeba, it doesn't have those elongated pseudopods, but it still belongs to the family Amoebidae, and is a bit different from the typical amoeba you might be thinking of. Meet Thecamoeba. Theca means shell, and it refers to a shell-like structure that covers its cell body to provide protection for the cell. Thecamoeba feeds on bacteria and algae. What we have here are 3 different genera of diatoms. These are called Basilaria. Basilaria diatoms are like the aquatic version of a flash mob. They form a colony and glide together in a manner called concerted gliding. This one is called navicula, which means small ship in Latin, reflecting the boat-like shape of its elongated frustule. And this diatom is called Nichia. They can thrive in a wide range of environments, from freshwater to hypersaline habitats. If you learned something new, like and subscribe for more.